you doing, Sebastian?
My rockets.
Are those rockets?
Yeah, they're like rockets. Rockets too. See, they go on. See, this is their air pack. See, this is their air pack.
Oh, their air pad?
No, this is the air pack.
Oh, air pack. Okay, I got that.
Let this pipe go in. You can see that stuff. This makes the air parts spin around. They don't really glide. They don't glide.
No.
Oh, I'm missing some.
Oh, no. Do you think they might have fallen on the floor the last time they blasted off? Could be.